friends, today we're going to make an electromagnet. For this you're going to need insulated magnet wire, a nail. It has to be made out of metal, steel or any other strong material, and 2 pieces of normal insulated wire, sandpaper or a filer, scissors, tape, and a 1.2 volt battery. And you're going to need a soldering iron, solder wire, and a mask. You need to wear a mask because when you solder, fumes will come out of the iron and it's bad for you to breathe, so be sure to wear a mask. First, you're going to take your nail and magnet wire, and then when you do that, you need to wrap the wire around this, just like that. And then be sure to not wrap around the tip. And when you get to the end, you could take your scissors and then just cut it off. And take your filer or sandpaper and then just try to take off, and then just do the edges like that to get off the insulating layer, just on the edges of these. And I think that's done. You should see a small gray, and do the other side. And now we did both sides. Now take your 2 pieces of wire and then just wrap them around where the gray part is that you just took off the layer. Then and when you get done wrapping around them, just make sure that it's tight. The wire that you just wrapped around is tight. And then take your soldering iron over here, and then I'm going to tell you how to use the iron first. You have to plug the plug into an outlet, and then you need to turn it on if it has a switch, and then it should have a meter up here, and then choose your degree. I recommend you choose it at 200 degrees or 250 or whatever, and you plug it in, and then you wear a mask. And I'm just gonna wear my mask. Okay, and then you could just plug this into a socket. I have my socket over here. Here, and you can just plug that in. Okay. Be careful of this because it's hot. So soldering iron is hot. And then you could just turn it on down here. Soldering wire. And just carefully solder the you have to wait for it to heat up. It might take a while to heat up. Oh, it's coming. And then I just soldered this side, and then just solder the other side. It dries fast. And then just turn off after you're done soldering. Just turn off your soldering iron immediately, and then just wait for it to cool. And it's just cooling. And then just cool quickly. And then take your tape, because soldering when this breaks easily, this metal, so you need to put tape over it. Then just cut a piece of tape. And then just wrap it around here. And then just do it on the other side. And then just tape it on the other side. And now we're done. And take your battery and a small safety pin. And just connect both sides on there. and then the liftings up. If it doesn't work on the middle, you could try it on the tip. That's why I told you to not wrap it around the tip. See, it's lifting it up, and then see, you lift it up and then just dropped it. It's a mess. See, it's kind of working. Yeah, the way this works is when electricity flows through the copper wire, it gets strong and it gets really strong, and then it produces some magnetic force that pulls the magnet to the nail. The person who discovered this is Nikola Tesla. That was it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. See you on my next video. Bye.